Specialist Group at Keller Williams Realty in San Antonio, Texas. We're here at one of our newest listings, 13719 Granbury Field, and it's northwest San Antonio area. It's in the Valley Ranch subdivision. For this general area in San Antonio, the Valley Ranch Amenity Center is probably one of the best ones. It has a huge pool area, tennis courts, basketball courts, as well as a workout area as well included. This home is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It is 3,800 square feet. When this current owner purchased the home, she replaced the carpet and the appliances, which are still in very, very good condition. This one does have a master down. This family area is all tile. I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera around. So you have tile all in this living area, the formal dining that's behind the kitchen here. Huge kitchen island, stainless steel appliances. This house is going to be going on the market right at $320,000. It is 3,880 square feet, which is a huge home, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, the formal dining area. You're only about 4 miles outside 1604, right off of Culebra Road. This home also features solar panels. Looking at some of her previous bills, there were some electric bills as low as $15 a month for electric. So having those solar panels on a house of this size is definitely a great option. Solar panels run about $15,000-$20,000 just depending on the company. So that those panels obviously are included at that $320 sales price, which is a bargain. Separate tub and shower. You have 2 dual vanities, huge master closet, really good sized master closets, pretty oversized shower as well. Normally you just have this little door entrance. So this is your master bedroom on the first floor. All neutral colors. You have a half bath here for your guest. Gas cooking, which is a very nice option. And then coming upstairs, all the bedrooms, being that the house is 3,800 square feet, all the bedrooms are really good size. All the secondary bedrooms are very large secondary bedrooms. And then up here, you have this huge second living area, really good size. And then you also have a media room. So this room has no windows, so nice and dark. Put a big screen and close the doors and it will be very, very nice. Here's one of the second bathrooms upstairs. Tile in the shower, around the shower. A really wide hallway here. Another secondary bedroom. Again, really good sized secondary bedrooms. Definitely could fit king size bed in every secondary bedroom. Plenty of room. And this one's just huge. Lots of light in this one. And then what's really nice also, the way this house sits in the afternoon, you're gonna have shade in the backyard, which something I wish I had at my house. We have the sunsets in the backyard, so summer days isn't as comfortable as a house situated like this home, which, like I said, has I don't know, probably 4 to 5 of her monthly bills were under $20 a month. For a house this size, 3,800 square feet without solar panels, you're probably looking at about a $300 payment in the summer months. Easy. If you know of anyone, please share this video. Once we go live, I'll be adding a link to where you can click the link for additional information. Thank you so much. Hope you all are having a great Friday and enjoy your weekend.